Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Comfort Inn and Suites Amarillo. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are 1 swimming pool, non-smoking rooms, free parking, free Wi-Fi, fitness center and a bar. The Comfort Inn and Suites Hotel is located off Interstate 40, just minutes from the downtown area and 5 miles from the Rick Husband Amarillo International Airport. This hotel is minutes from the Amarillo Civic Center, the Amarillo Zoo, Splash Amarillo Water Park, the Amarillo Little Theater and the Route 66, Motor Speedway. Additional nearby points of interest include Wonderland Amusement Park, Palo Duro Canyon State Park, Amarillo Museum of Art, Harrington Discovery Center Hands-on Science Museum, Lake Meredith National Recreation Area. Located in the center of the Texas Panhandle, Amarillo offers all the conveniences of big city living in a small town atmosphere. A variety of restaurants, recreational activities and entertainment options are located in the surrounding area. Be sure to visit Big Texan Steak Ranch restaurant, famous for being the home of the free 72-ounce steak dinner. Your morning breakfast is full of hot options, making breakfast at the Comfort Inn and Suites the perfect way to start your day. Enjoy our free hot breakfast featuring eggs, meat, yogurt, fresh fruit, cereal and more, including your choice of hot waffle flavors. Guests will enjoy amenities and features like free wireless high-speed internet access and free local calls. After an exciting day of sightseeing, relax in the indoor heated pool and hot tub. Be sure to take advantage of the fitness center. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.